Chapter 14 Tweedledum and Tweedledee. Hi, welcome to today's English class. In this class, we are going to discuss an adventurous story written by Lewis Carroll. Actually, Lewis Carroll wasn't his real name but a pen name. The real name of the author was Charles Ludwig Dodson. He was an English novelist, mathematician and logician. He is the one who wrote one of the children's favorite stories of all time, Alice in Wonderland. Yes, today you are going to know about one of the adventures of Alice. It's an extract from the story Through the Looking Glass. Let's get into the story. Alice, a loving, gentle and curious girl who likes to explore things, was alone in the forest and she was lost, as well as she had forgotten her name. In that forest, she saw a little deer and was looking after it. She was really happy to be with that fawn. But suddenly, it flew from her and said, "I'm a fawn, you're a human child, Alice." Then it flew away. Alice was looking at it and almost she was ready to cry, for she had lost her little companion, the deer. Somehow, she was happy to know her name. Yes, Alice. Alice is her name. She was searching a way to come out of the forest, but on her way through, the signposts she saw were pointing out the same direction. One says, "To Tweedledum's house," and the other, "To the house of Tweedledee." She was a bit confused in the beginning. Then she came to the conclusion that both were living in the same house. Now, she came up with an idea to reach out to them and ask them the way out of the wood. Wood, which actually means forest. She started her journey talking to herself in search of Tweedledum and Tweedledee. There, she saw them standing in the forest. In their collar, it was written Dum and Dee, but no Tweedle with it. So, she went behind them to check if the word Tweedle was embroidered on their collars. And there they started to speak.
"If you think we're waxworks, you ought to pay, you know. Waxworks weren't made to be looked at for nothing, nohow. Contrariwise, if you think we're alive, you ought to speak."
"I'm sure I'm very sorry."
When she was about to say sorry, a song kept ringing through her head like the ticking of a clock. The song is,
"Tweedledum and Tweedledee agreed to have a battle, for Tweedledum said Tweedledee had spoiled his nice new rattle. Just then flew down a monstrous crow, as black as a tar barrel, which frightened both the heroes so they quite forgot their quarrel."
what happened then? Have they helped Alice to get out of the forest? Let's find that in the next class. That's the end of today's English class. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.